Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English yourself. First, set clear, measurable goals for your English journey. For instance, aim to learn 50 new vocabulary words each week or hold a 5-minute conversation by month 3. Dedicate a consistent amount of time daily, perhaps 30 to 60 minutes, to ensure steady progress. Understanding your current level, whether beginner or intermediate, helps tailor your learning approach effectively. This foundational step is crucial for building a successful self-study plan. To truly learn, immerse yourself in English every day. Listen to English music, watch films with subtitles, and tune into podcasts on topics you enjoy. This passive exposure helps your brain absorb natural language patterns. Actively practice speaking aloud, even if it's just narrating your day or reading a book out loud. Seek out opportunities to converse with others. Online language exchange partners are a fantastic resource for real-world application and building confidence. Building a strong foundation in grammar and vocabulary is essential. Use reliable resources to understand sentence construction, verb tenses, and prepositions. Don't just memorize words, learn them in context. Create flashcards with example sentences and review them regularly. Reading various materials, from news articles to short stories, exposes you to new words and phrases in their natural environment, reinforcing your understanding and retention. Aim for 10 to 15 new words daily. Consistency is key to long-term success in language learning. Stick to your daily or weekly study routine, even on busy days, to keep the momentum going. Regularly revisit past lessons and vocabulary to ensure information moves from short-term to long-term memory. Perhaps dedicate one day a week to review everything you've learned. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Celebrating milestones, like understanding a new song or holding a short conversation, fuels your motivation to continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.